The building industry is facing increased R value and air change requirements in the upcoming building codes over the next several years. Customers are looking to increase the comfort of their homes, but they're also looking for more energy efficiency. For builders, it's going to be introducing new construction techniques. For homeowners, it's going to be introducing higher energy efficiency homes and doing that drive towards net zero. The HP Plus wall system brings increased R value with a nice high effective R value in the whole system design. Plus it also introduces air sealing and a complete air barrier system for your wall. It starts off in the framing with 2x6 top plates and 2x4 studs running vertically. And we incorporate a 2x4 stud and a 1/2-inch sheet of plywood to take up that 2-inch air gap that's left between the two spaces. And after the framing, after the wood's put together, then we put neopore insulation on top of it, and then the wall's put up on the house. After the wall's ready and completed, then our spray foam applicators come in and they install 2.5 inches minimum of WALLTITE insulation. Well, using the HP Plus XR series wall system, we get really high performance by increasing the total R value that's being used in the wall by using lots of continuous insulation, and also it's a very effective air seal to make the house nice and tight. Right now it's a lot of new home construction where the homeowner is looking for more energy efficiency and comfort levels on the interior, but there are also a lot of retrofit applications that are coming up as well too. There is a bit of a learning curve to learning the new framing, but BASF is out there with the framers to make sure that they understand and learn along with the new system. The benefit that the HP Plus wall system brings to the builder is it gives them the opportunity to meet higher effective R value requirements by incorporating more continuous insulation, plus the use of the WALLTITE spray foam, the MasterSeal NP-1 caulking, provides an increased air barrier system within the wall system itself, which lowers the air changes per hour when testing by blower doors. The codes are changing, and builders that recognize this change are ready to get ahead of the code changes and start adopting the HP wall system to get used to using continuous insulation and the higher R values and meet the air change requirements. The HP Plus wall system is designed for homeowners and builders that are looking to get ahead of the energy codes and meet those net zero energy requirements as they're coming down the pipeline, and to increase the comfort and energy efficiency of the home overall.